What's up everyone, it's Winstonee coming back to you guys with a brand new video. As always, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Now, this may sound weird, but you should be using mayonnaise for your hair, and I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why. Now, we're just gonna go ahead and jump straight into the video. So the first reason why you should be using mayonnaise in your hair is because one of the main ingredients in mayonnaise is eggs. I made a few videos on my channel where I showed you how to make a protein treatment for your hair, and in almost all of them, one of my ingredients was eggs. Now, eggs are like a little shell jam-packed with protein. Well, not like a little shell, but they are a little shell jam-packed with protein, and hair thrives in protein, and that's what helps it grow. So mayonnaise, which contains eggs, which contains protein, is like the upgraded egg. So it's the egg plus more. So the second reason you should be using mayonnaise is because it contains vinegar. Another ingredient I usually use in my hair protein treatments. Vinegar is great for restoring pH balance to your hair. You want your pH to be balanced because that's what helps to prevent frizz and breakage in your hair. And of course, that ties into hair growth. Frizz and breakage usually means your hair is dry, and of course, hair is going to have a hard time growing if it's dry. So vinegar in the mayonnaise helps to regulate that. Now, this isn't a hair growth reason for using mayonnaise, but I feel like it's important to mention because it's a pretty common use for your hair, but the third use for mayonnaise really is if you have lice. And if you ever get lice, mayonnaise is thick enough to suffocate the lice in your hair strands to get rid of them. You'll have to leave the mayonnaise in your hair for a few hours because apparently lice can hold their breath for quite a while, but eventually the mayonnaise will do the trick. And once again, this only works if you actually have lice. This isn't something that would prevent them from hopping onto your hair in whatever way they would hop onto it. They have to actually already be there. So just keep that in mind. So the fourth reason for using mayonnaise is because it acts as a deep conditioner for your hair. I like to use deep conditioners for my hair about once a week, and most of the time I just use a deep conditioning product. My favorite one being Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. But if I ever run out and I'm too lazy to go to the store to get a new one, I know that a good substitute is mayonnaise because it contains most of the ingredients that a deep conditioner would have and would work just as well. I can also add olive oil and lemon juice in it to enhance it. The fifth reason you should use mayonnaise on your hair is because it helps to protect your hair from the sun. Mayonnaise creates a coating over your hair strands that help protect your hair from harmful UV rays that the sun will give off, the same way that bananas would protect your hair from the sun. And I use bananas sometimes in some of my hair treatments. And of course, it's important to minimize sun exposure to your hair because a lot of heat damage will slow down your hair growing process. And if you have dark hair, it can kind of start giving your hair a brownish burgundy color. So consider this your warning for protecting your hair from the sun. Now, to use mayonnaise in your hair, it's pretty straightforward. You just get a jar of mayonnaise. Real mayonnaise would probably be the most rich in vitamins, so not the reduced fat or whatever type of mayonnaise they have out now. And you want to just use it pretty much while you're taking a shower to make sure the process is the most easiest, because you're going to have to wet your hair, then massage about a scoopful amount of mayonnaise depending on how much hair you have, and massage it into your hair strands evenly. And like I said earlier, you can add things like lemon juice and olive oil to enhance. Once it's on your hair, you want to cover your hair with a shower cap. Let the heat just kind of open your hair follicles and the mayonnaise get into them with all of its nutrients. And you can pretty much leave it in your hair for up to 45 minutes if you want. I usually just leave it in for the duration of my shower, and that's usually good enough for me. But once you finally do want to take it out, just rinse your hair and use a shampoo to make sure that it's clean. It's pretty simple, and it's a hair treatment that really doesn't require much at all. Just the mayonnaise itself is good enough. So yeah, if you guys have any questions on mayonnaise or how to apply it, you can leave a comment down below. Email me at askwinstone@gmail.com or Instagram @thewinstone. Also follow me on TikTok @Winstonee. I'm getting more active on there as well. Yeah, so make sure you guys follow me. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.